Hey everybody, I just want to show you a quick view of my new miniature hay bale maker, square bale maker. I'll leave a link where I seen this the first time. That's where I got the ideas to build it from, was a fellow YouTuber. I'll leave his link in the description. I can't remember his name now. Anyway, this is what I got so far. This was a temporary design to see how it would work. I'm going to build a metal one eventually, but this works really good right now. Here's what I've made so far. There's 4, 8, 12, 40. I got 14 there. And I made it to make about a 1 foot by 6 by 6.5 inch bale, which I think are kind of cute. And they're packed really tight. And they weigh up to roughly 2 pounds. All dry stuff from hay I baled last year. I'm breaking down some square bales that I baled of my clover and alfalfa and timothy and all kinds of good mix in it. Fescues. So anyway, I'm gonna try to sell these for people with miniature animals, rabbits, pets, etc. or for decoration. Anyway, if you want any further info, just let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. You never know what I'll put out. Thanks everybody.